Hello guys, this is KC Benz talking. As you can see, we have a 2013 model. What we are working on this car is fan. As you can see, the fan that we met on the car, we work it with the relay. We work the fan with the relay, so the fan is making noise. So thereby, we are changing it to the factory. We are changing the fan to the factory. So this is the socket of this one that we get. So we are going to change it to the factory and everything going to be working perfectly. So we have disconnected all this